All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I'm in a 2019 BMW X3, and I'm going to go over how I shift the gears in this vehicle. It's kind of weird because it's computerized almost, the shifter right here, the shifter stick right here. So what I'm going to do is right now it is in park. Now if I want to put it in reverse, okay, you can't just move it like that. You have to press this button on the side. This is the unlock button. If I press this and then push it forward, or I have to put my foot on the brake, push the button, press it forward, it goes into neutral. To go into reverse, I'll press the button again and go up into reverse. Now to come back to neutral, all I have to do is pull back on it. I don't need to press a button to go back to neutral. But if I want to go to drive, I can go into it after it's been unlocked, just like that. Now to go into the shifter mode, I go right here, and then I'm able to use the shifters right here. All right. Now to put it back into park, all right, I just press this button right here for park, and it goes back into park once my foot is on the brake. All right. So, all right. Let me know if you have any questions.